there are aspects of anthropology and human studies and biological studies and animal studies that can help us reconnect to the strengths and to the capacity that the human mind, body, and soul has to transform, even when things feel impossible and appear impossible. We come into this world as little babies, knowing without knowing how to release stress and trauma. We are, as Brene Brown says, wired for survival. We are wired to be transformed. And we start right as we come out of the first trauma of all of our lives, which is going through the birth canal. From a most sacred, safe place to a place that is, all of a sudden, we are at the mercy of our mother-father environment to meet our needs. Trauma, as we have heard a lot about, shakes us up. It produces an injury to our mind, to our body, to our spirit, and it can make us behave in ways and act in ways and feel in ways that almost defy any particular box in the DSM. And that's okay, because trauma is also the birthplace of transformation. Learning how to see trauma in its complexity and beauty and as a birthing place for transformation, which I think trauma-informed care tries to look at from a distance, doesn't get into it, is an ancient process. It is the core of what integrative medicine is. It is the core of what mind-body medicine is. And we know that social engagement, tend and befriend response, as some people call it, the relaxation response, is mediated by the mother's love, comes from the womb, the oxytocin. It is produced in all of us when we feel safe, when we feel seen, when we feel heard, when we feel honored in a good way. And it has biological underpinnings.